Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this hidden emojis fonts on the new Instagram phones. So here, I'm going to start by opening the Instagram story camera. Then here, I'm going to just use a background. Okay, for example, here I'm going to change the color of the background. Okay, so I've already changed the background. Now you can just click on the text right here, then just choose any font that you want. I'm going to start by using this bubble. So if you want to unlock the hidden emoji, for example the heart emojis, you can just write with your keyboard the symbols right here. You can use this symbol and also the number 3, and just like that it will be changed into the heart icon automatically. You can do it for more than one times. You can see it will change, but if you write it 2 times it will change like this. And if you change it into another type of font, it will also change into a different heart shape emoji, just like this. So you can just choose which one that you like the best. And there's also the other emoji, for example the smile and sad emojis right here. I'm going to write one. You can use it like this and it will change into a smiley and sad emoji. And also it applied to a different font and different emoji kind of emoji, just like this. So that's pretty much all. You can just click on done, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.